Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, I'm going to share baked tortilla swirls. This is perfect for your next gatherings, especially for iftar. First, we are going to chop the vegetables. Add 1 onion into the food processor. And I'm using different colors of pepper, which is orange, yellow, red and green. Chop it well and keep it aside. For this recipe, we are using 1 pound of minced beef. Add 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, salt to your taste. Add the chopped vegetables. Handful of parsley chopped. Mix it well with your hands until everything incorporated together. We need tortillas, large one which is a burrito size. Place the meatballs in the tortilla and spread with your hands nicely and leave the edges. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top and you can roll it. You can trim the sides and then you can cut it into 2-inch thick. Line a round baking tray with parchment paper and butter, and then you can line up the swirls. Arrange all the swirls in the round pan. Heat a pan, add water half cup, olive oil 2 tablespoons, tomato sauce 2 tablespoons, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder half teaspoon, salt to your taste. Whisk it well until everything combined. You can adjust all the seasoning and cook it for like 4 to 5 minutes until the tomato sauce thickens. Grease the swirls top with olive oil. the swirl top with tomato sauce. Bake it in the preheated oven 375 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. For the yogurt base, we need half cup of yogurt and 2 garlic cloves minced and salt to your taste. Whisk it well, then transfer to the serving bowl. Once it's done baking, you can remove from the oven and then you can place the swirls on top of the garlic sauce. Once all the swirls are arranged on top of the yogurt garlic sauce, you can top it with more tomato sauce. Finally, you can garnish with some chopped parsley leaves and pomegranate. Just before serving, you can melt 2 tablespoons of butter and drizzle on top. Enjoy your beef tortilla swirls. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.